Hello kids, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Black color, green color, pink color, gray color, purple color, yellow color, violet color, brown color, lime color, red color, dark blue color, olive color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A. A for ass. B. B for berry. C. C for cow. D. D for dates. E. E for elephant. F. F for fire. G. G for grapes. H. H for honey. I for ice. J. J for jump. K. K for kiwi. L. L for lion. M. M for mat. N. N for nuts. O. O for olive. P. P for pumpkin. Q. Q for quail. R. R for rabbit. S. S for school. T. T for tree. U. U for union. V. V for vanilla. W. W for wax. X. X for Xerox. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zinc. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. How are you? Let's learn some colors name. Green color, dark blue color, olive color, black color, lime color, purple color, violet color, red color, gray color, yellow color, brown color. Let's try to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 1. O and E. 1. Number 2. T, W, O. 2. Number 3. T, H, R, W. 3. Number 4. F-O-U-R, four. Number 5. F-I-V-E, five. Number 6. S-I-X, six. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Number 9. N-I-N-E, nine. Number 10. T-E-N, ten. Number 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Number 12. T-W-E-L-V, 12. Number 13. T-H-I-R-T-W-N, 13. Number 14. F-O-U-R-T-W-N, 14. Number 15. F-I-F-T-W-N, 15. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Guys, let's learn some colors name. Dark blue color, orange color, red color, yellow color, pink color, green color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. A. A for aeroplane. A for ant. B. B for butterfly. B for birds. B. C. C for candy. C for cherry. C. D. D for dog. D for doll. D. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E. F. F for fruits. F for fox. Let's try to count some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
A, B, C, D, E, F. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.